Here we have a 7-inch by 12-inch horizontal bandsaw. The 115 volt model. I'm just going to fire it up, show you that it does operate. So we just flip the switch here. Comes with a coolant pump system. We did check the coolant pump and it does operate. All the mechanical functions and electrical functions appear to operate fine. The hydraulic down feed. This is adjustable as the head comes down. Hit the red tab, hits the switch, and turns the machine off. The coolant pump switch. Okay, it does include 2 axles and 4 casters, a material stop, your instruction manual, and of course the belt guard right here. This adjustment knob has broken off. It's still usable. Just unloosen it with a pair of pliers or just replace the knob. Okay, with a junction box right here. It's a plastic box. All the wires are still intact. Doesn't affect the operation of the motor at all. But it is correct. It's like 3 blades off the motor fan that are broken off. This is also plastic. And of course there was supposed to be a plastic motor shroud. Now that's missing. Other than that, it's an overall really good condition. It's unused. Just some minor shipping distress. And we thank you for looking at our product.